Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Alex.
And I'm Maria.
And together we are Mr. and Mrs. Cheesecake.
Today we are making a very special lemon cheesecake. Why is it special?
Because it's not only gluten-free, but it's also lacto-free.
And no bake.
Now before we jump into the recipe, don't forget to like and subscribe.
Now let's jump right into it.
And there you have it. This is the final result after chilling your cheesecake overnight in the fridge.
And here's another link to a video we think you might like.